Imagine if your ideas could instantly turn into images, videos, or even 3D objects without complex software or technical skills. That's exactly what Krea AI is designed to do. Krea AI is one of those creative and that are used to generate, edit, and enhance real content using artificial intelligence. It combines powerful AI tools in one place, making content creation faster and easier for creators, marketers, and designers. Hello yours, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click remind us how I do this use creative educationally financial purpose only. Features, pricing, performance of the platform may change your opinion. Always you efficient sources and evaluate tools according to your own creative and professional needs. So first of all, I will explain what is Krea AI. Krea AI is an all-in-one AI creative suite where users can generate images, videos, and freely content using simple text prompts or existing results. The platform focuses on helping users produce high-quality digital content quickly and efficiently. It supports multiplayer models and allow creatives to access various creative tools from one dashboard, reducing we need to switch between different platforms. The system is designed for both beginners and professionals, offering simple, user-friendly interface. Now we will discuss key features of Create Z. With Krea, users can create images by simply describing what they want. The platform offers stacks to imagine real-time imagination features, allowing creators to adjust design instantly while working. It supports thousands of visual styles and high-resolution outputs, helping users create professional-looking images for marketing, social media, or design projects. Krea AI also provides advanced video creation tools. Users can generate videos from test prompts, animated images, or by motion pressure. Smooth Natalie. Platform to waste multiple part videos, even uses taxi options to get engaging video advance. And a powerful feature creates analytic to generate video just condensed on the uses. This helps designers and developers quickly build digital assets for games, advertising, or product visualizations. You list improve and content easy scan upscaling his and videos to AI resolution. Adjusts styles and her just light narration. Using AI editing tools, the platform also lets users train AI models with their own images or styles. This means creators can generate consistent branding, characters, or design styles whenever they need. One of these AI biggest strengths is its real-time generation. Users can see changes instantly while working, which makes creative experimentation faster and more interactive. This feature helps creators test ideas quickly and prove results without waiting for long process time. So here you can check out its different features like AI imagination, AI video generation, AI 3D generation, AI image enhancements, AI video enhancements, AI fine-tuning, and file management. Here you can also check out other features like video generator, upscalers, and many more. Here you can also check out that a Krea is useful for many types of users, including content creators, YouTubers, digital marketers and advertisers, designers and artists, businesses and branding teams, developers and product designers. The platform offers different subscription plans, including a free version. Here you can find out different pricing plan out being altered, and you can also check out the basic plan starting with $9 per month, and you can find out 5,000 compute units per month, and pro plan with pricing $35 per month and with 20,000 compute units, and the max plan with $105 per month with 60,000 compute units per month. Here you can find out business plan with $200 per month, and you can also check out 80,000 computer units. And for the enterprise, it provides you customizable pricing plan. You can contact sales department and everything in business wells, custom terms of services. You can find out And here you can also check out a comparative chart of plans and their features. It will be useful for you to decide which pricing plan is according to your needs. And you have any question you can find out details. We were here. You can also check out the 3 most powerful AI suite for creators. Krea AI is trusted by millions of users worldwide and is used by individuals, businesses, and large organizations to create digital visual content efficiently. Krea AI combines multiple creative tools into a single platform inside of using separate software for design, video editing, and AI generation. Users can complete all tasks and one much speed. At simple interface and fast processing help creators focus more on ideas rather than technical complexity. So here, for example, I uploaded a start frame, a picture. Here you can find out I gave a prompt, Monica dancing joyfully, and within second, Krea AI prepared a video clip for me according to my start frame and according to my prompt. So in this way it works, and I really have been amazed by the performance of this platform. It looks very stunning and it produces amazing results. Screen AI is shaping the future of digital content creation by making advanced AI creative tools accessible to everyone, whether you are designing images, creating videos, or building 3D content. This platform offers powerful solutions in a simple, practical way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. And at the end, I would like to recommend Alma Rivers to follow the social media communities of Krea AI like Instagram. You can also follow Krea on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.